Welcome back to computer science class. In this session, we discuss a new chapter, Boolean algebra. The Boolean algebra is introduced by a mathematician, George Boole. In 1854. First, the Boolean algebra is introduced by a mathematician, George Boole, in 1984. Then in 1938, it is also named as switching algebra. It is also named as switching algebra. In Boolean algebra, we discuss logical statement or logical expression with their values. Let's discuss logical operations. Before going to discuss logical operations, we must know what is truth table. Truth table. Here, truth table have possible statements with possible results. Truth table have possible variables or possible variable combinations with possible results. The truth table have possible variables or statements or expressions with possible results. Possible results. That is called truth table. See here, there is a two variables x, y, or two logical statements x and y. Then result is r. Result is r. Then if it is a two variables or two logical statement means every variable or every statement, every variable or every logical statement have a unique value, that is either 0 or 1. Then if it is a two variables means that is 2 raised to 2, 4 possible values for the combinations. See here, in a logical operations or logical statements, every variable, here either we use variable or an statement or an expression. Every variable or a statement or an expression have unique value. Here unique values are 0 or 1. Unique values are 0 or 1. Here 0 refers the false and 1 refers the true. So these are called Boolean values. True and false are called Boolean values. Then there is a two variables. Then 2 raised to 2. There is a 4 possible combinations. Each variable have a unique value. See here, the possible combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. What is here? In a switching algebra, the Boolean algebra is also called in a switching algebra. Zeros are called false, 1 is called true. 0 refers false, 1 refers true. Then what is truth table? Have a variables or statements or an expression. Collection of variables or a statement or an expression along with the possible results. Have a variable, statement, expression with the possible results. Here the possible results are, assume that 0 0 0 1. Again result is also unique value. Here result is also unique value. Every variable in a truth table have unique values. If any one of the statement or expression, any one of the statement or expression always return one, always return one or true, that is called tautology. What is tautology? Tautology. What is tautology here? Any of the statement or expression, always return or give one or true, that is called tautology. Then one more is, that is falsy. F-A-L-L-C-Y, falsy. Here falsy means any of the statement or expression, always return or give zero or false. Always give zero or false. That is called falsy. What we discussed here, before going to logical operation, we must know what is truth table. Truth table is a collection of variables or a statement or an expression along with possible result. Expressions along with possible results. See here, x and y are the variables. R is a resultant variable. In a truth table, all variables have a unique value, either 0 or 1. Here 0 refers false, 1 refers true. Then if any one of the statement, always returns 1, any of the statement or expression always returns 1, that is called tautology. Any of the statement or expression always returns 0, that is called false. See here, last one, 1 combination returns 1, always returns 1, that is, the statement is called tautology. 0 0 0 always returns 0, the statement is called falsy. This is the tautology and falsy. Let's discuss logical operators. In a Boolean algebra, there is a 3 logical operators. First one is not, second one is and, third one is or. These are the 3 logical operators. Then the operator for the not is bar. It is a bar, over bar. Then and operator symbol is dot. Then or operator symbol is plus. So these are the 3 logical operators. Let's see the first one, not. Not, it is also called complement operator. It is also called complement operator. The symbol for the not operator is bar. The not operator is used to negate the value. It is used to negate the value. Hence, it is also called complement operator, used to negate. What is the meaning of negation here? If the value of the variable is 0, after performing not operation, it becomes 1. If the value of the variable is 1, after performing not operation, it becomes 0. So that is the negation or complement operator. See the combination of complement operator. Say not operator work with only one operand. Not operator work with only one operand and not operator have highest priority. The NOT operator have highest priority. Here it work with only one operand. If it is only one operand means 1 raised to 2, there is a 2 possible combinations. See here, what are the possible combinations? X is a variable, X bar is a resultant variable. See the operator X bar is a NOT operator or complement operator. If it is a single variable means there is a 2 possible combination, either X have 0 value or X have 1 value. That is, X is true or X is false. 0 represents the false, 1 represents the true. Every variable have unique values, either true or false. Hence, if it is a single variable, then variable have only 2 possibilities. That is either 0 or 1. Then what is the output of X bar here? X bar, it is a complement operator. It negates the input. The operator NOT negates the input. How it is negates? So if it is a 0, output is 1. If it is 1, the output is 0. This is the combination of NOT operator. Then let's consider next one, that is AND operator. Second one is AND. The symbol for AND operator is dot. Dot is a symbol for AND operator. Here AND operator is a multiplicative operator. It is similar to logical multiplication operator. AND is a logical multiplication. Then it works with 2 operands. It needs at least 2 operands. Sometimes it also works with 2 or more operands. If it is a 2 operands or 2 variables, then consider the 2 variables are x, y. 2 variables are x, y. Then the resultant variable is represented as x into y. See the operator. X into y. This is the resultant variable. 2 variables x and y, resultant variable is x into y. If it is a 2 variables, then the possible combinations are 4. How it is? 2 variables, there is a unique values only 2, then 2 to the power of 2, that is 4. Every variable have only one unique value out of 0 and 1. So combinations are 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. These are the unique combinations over 2 variables. Then what is the output of AND operator? It is a logical multiplication. Hence the output is 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. What is 1 here? 1 refers true, 0 refers false. Then true, okay, false, the output is false. False, true, output is false. True, false, output is false. True, then only it returns true. That is, if both the values are 1, then it returns 1. If any one of the value is 0, it returns 0. That is the working of AND. What is the working of AND here? If all values of variables are 1, then result is 1. If any one value is 0, then result is 0. See the working. If all the values of variables are 1, see the last combination 1 1, so output is 1, then result is 1. If any one value is 0, then result is 0. See here, out of x, y, the first one have a 0, so output is 0. X have a 0, y have a 1, the output is 0. X have 1, y have 0, the output is 0. If both have 1, then the result is 1. Generally we say, if any one of the result is or any one of the combination is false, output is false. If all the combinations are true, then output is true. Let's see the last operator, that is OR operator. Third one, OR. The symbol for OR operator is plus. The OR operator is a logical addition. It is a logical addition operation. The result of the OR operation is similar to logical addition. If it is a two variables x and y, the output is x plus y. Output is represented as x plus y. Then the combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Again, there is a two variables, four possible combinations. The output is x plus y. The result of the OR operator is, if it is 0, 0, output is 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. What is the output here? If any one value is 1, output is 1. Our result is 1. Result is 1. If all values are 0, result is 0. When result is 0, if all values of the possible combinations are 0, then result is 0. If any one of the value is 1, then result is 1. See here, the first combination 0, 0, both are 0, hence the output is 0. Other than that, have any one is 1, any combination is 1, then the output is 1. So that is the OR operation. So these are the three logical operators: NOT, AND, OR. Here NOT is work with a single variable, AND or OR work with two or more variables. It needs at least two variables, but work with two or more variables. The AND operator is similar to logical multiplication. OR operator is similar to logical addition. In a logical multiplication, that is in AND, any one of the value is 0 in a variable, any one of the value is 0, output, that is result is 0. If all the values are, the input variable values are 1, then output is 1. In an OR operation, if any one of the value is 1, variable value is 1, result is 1. If all the values of a variable is 0, then result is 0. Let's discuss how to evaluate a Boolean expression using truth table. Then what is Boolean expression? Here Boolean expression is a combination of Boolean values and logical operators. It is a combination of Boolean values. Here values are stored in a variable. Hence it is a combination of Boolean variables and logical operators are called logical expressions. Let's discuss how to evaluate a logical expressions. The logical expressions are also called Boolean expressions because here we use a word Boolean. Boolean expressions are evaluated using precedence rule. Boolean expressions will evaluated using precedence rule. What is precedence rule? The expression evaluation, the priority of the expression evaluation is called precedence rule. In a precedence rule, not operators are evaluated first, then and operators are evaluated, then or operators are evaluated. If the expressions inside the parentheses, then inside the parenthesis expressions are evaluated first. That is precedence rule. In precedence rule, not operator is evaluated first, then and operator, finally or operator is evaluated. Or operator is evaluated. If expression is inside the parentheses, those are evaluated first. There is a restriction. If the expression have parentheses, inside the parentheses are evaluated first. To evaluate the inside parenthesis expression, again we follow precedence rule. What is precedence rule here? Not operators are evaluated first, then and operators, finally or operators are evaluated. Using this precedence rule, we have to evaluate a Boolean expression using truth table. Already we know that truth table have a collection of variables, all possible variables along with possible results. Let's consider an example how to evaluate a expression using truth table. See here example, evaluate a expression x plus xy which is equal to x plus xy which is equal to x. Here x and y are zeros and 1. X and y holds zeros and 1s. How to evaluate the expression? We have to prove here x plus xy which is equal to x. See here how to evaluate the possible variables are here x, y. From the expression, first identify how many variables are present. From the expression there is only two variables, that is x and y. See, x and y. Then the first priority goes to not operator, but in a given expression there is no not operator. Then second priority goes to and operator. Here there is a and x into y. In the next column, write x into y. Then finally we have to evaluate OR operation. How it is OR operation? That is x plus x into y. See here, this is the truth table. Have possible variables along with values, that is result. Two variables, the possible combinations are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the possible combinations. Already we know that what is the output of AND operator. If any one of the value is 0, output is 0. Here 0, 0, output is 0. 0, 1, output is 0. 1, 0, 0. If both are 1, then output is 1. Then we have to evaluate x plus xy. See here the x column, then this is the x into y column. From this we have to perform OR operation. 0, 0 in a OR operation, result is 0. What is the output of OR operation? If any one of the value is 1, output is 1. If all the values are 0, output is 0. See here all the values are 0, output is 0. Next one 0, 0, output is 0. Next one 1 0, any one of the 1 is 1, then output is 1. If both are 1, then output is 1. From the column 1, 2, 3, 4. From the column 1 and 4, values are same. In column 1 and 4, all values are equal. See here, what is the column number 1? That is x 0 0 1 1. Fourth column is 0 0 1 1. The value of the x plus xy is same as the value of an x. Therefore, x plus xy, which is equal to x. This is the evaluation of Boolean expression. What is the given Boolean expression? X plus xy, which is equal to x, using truth table. Like this, we have to evaluate Boolean expressions. How to evaluate? Using a precedence rule. First, we know the precedence rule. What is precedence rule? In a precedence rule, not operators are evaluated first. Then, and operators are evaluated. Finally, or operators are evaluated. If the Boolean expression have parentheses, then inside the parentheses are evaluated first. Using this precedence rule, Boolean expressions are evaluated. Let's consider some more examples on Boolean evaluation. Let's consider an example. Verify using truth table x plus y whole bar, which is equal to x bar into y bar. See the expression, x plus y whole bar, which is equal to x bar into y bar. How to evaluate? First, identify the number of variables present in a given Boolean expression. Here, number of variables are x, y. The truth table, Boolean expressions are evaluated using precedence rule. In a precedence rule, first priority goes to not operator. Here, there is a not operator, that is x bar, y bar. Then also we have to verify x plus y whole bar. Before going to perform x plus y whole bar, we have to perform x plus y. You have to evaluate x plus y. Then using x plus y, we evaluate x plus y whole bar. So these are the columns required for this expression. See what are the columns required. First one are two variables x, y. Next one is x bar, y bar, because not operators are evaluated first. Then to perform x plus y whole bar, first we have to find the result of x plus y. See the combinations 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So these are the possible combinations. What is the x bar? Not operator complements the value. If it is 0, then it becomes 1. If it is 0, it becomes 1. If it is 1, it becomes 0. What is y bar? Y bar, it complements the value of y column. In a y column, you have 0 1 0 1. If it is not operator, it becomes 1 0 1 0. Then x plus y, here it is a OR operation. Plus, say OR operation means observe the column x and y. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 1 1. Why it is 1 plus 1 1? Because it is a logical addition. In a logical, we have only two values, either 0 or 1. If it is 1 plus 1, then result is 1. Then complement of the x plus y. Complement of the x plus y. Complement of the x plus y is here 1 0 0 0. Okay. So x plus y whole bar. Then next one is x bar into y bar. Next column is x bar into y bar. Because we have to prove that x plus y whole bar, which is equal to x bar into y bar. Here we evaluate x bar y bar. using x bar, y bar values, we have to perform x bar into y bar. Observe the column x bar and y bar. Here 1 into 1, 1. 1 into 0, 0. 0 into 1, 0. 0 into 0, 0. Label the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From column 6 and 7, all values are equal. Therefore, what we return? So x plus y whole bar, which is equal to x bar into y bar. This is the evaluation of Boolean expression using truth table. Before going to write the columns, first we have to observe what are the variables present in a given expression. The variables are x, y, but we have to prove x plus y whole bar is equal to x bar into y bar. So first complement operators are evaluated, x bar, y bar, then OR operator x plus y, then x plus y whole bar, next x bar into y bar. Already here we evaluate x bar, y bar using that x bar into y bar. Finally, compare the columns 6 and 7. All values of 6 and 7 are same, equal. Hence, here we prove that x plus y whole bar, which is equal to x bar into y bar. Consider a next example. That is, prove that xy plus xy bar, which is equal to x. Here also there is a two variables x, y. First priority two variables x, y. First priority goes to NOT operator. There is a y bar. Next priority goes to AND operator. So you have to perform x into y, then x into y bar. So these are the columns required. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. These are the possible combinations for the given expression. First we have to find the y bar. So y bar is here 1, 0, 1, 0. Just negate the column y. That results y bar. Next priority goes to x into y, AND operator x into y. Observe the column x and y. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1. To perform x into y bar, observe the column x and y bar, column number 1 and column number 3. So operation here is AND 0, 1 results 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Then we have to prove that xy plus x y bar. Next insert a column xy plus x y bar. Already here we evaluate xy, then xy whole bar. Between that perform OR operation. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1 in OR operation. Then let's label the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then observe the column number 1 and 6. Observe the column 1 and 6. All values are same. So we have to prove that xy plus xy bar, which is equal to x. That is, from column 1 and 6, all values are equal. Therefore, xy plus xy bar, which is equal to x. Evaluation of Boolean expression using truth table. Let's consider the next one, that is, prove that x plus y bar, which is equal to x. First write the columns. Here columns are x, y, y bar. It needs a negation, y bar. Then x plus y, inside the parentheses are evaluated first. Then x plus y bar. Finally x plus y into x plus y bar. See the columns. 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. First negation operation is evaluate y bar, that is 1 0 1 0. Then x plus y 0 1 1 1. Then x plus y bar, see the column number 1 and 3, 0 plus 1 1, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 1 1, 1 plus 0 1. Then perform x plus y into x plus y bar. To perform this expression, observe column number 4 and 5. Already we evaluate x plus y, then x plus y bar. Use those columns, perform AND operation. Here it is a AND operation. So 0 plus 1, 0, 0 into 1, 0, 1 into 0, 0, 1 into 1, 1, 1 into 1, 1. Next label the columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From column 1 and 6, all values are equal. Therefore, we have to prove that x plus y bar, which is equal to x. Evaluation using truth table. In a exercise, we have some more problems. Try yourself. In the next video, we discuss logic circuits. Thank you.